Hello, in front of me I have REALME Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, we need to go to the screen we want to capture. So for example, I'm gonna open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot, we can simply press the volume down button and power button together, like this, and once you press them, the screenshot will be taken. You can also take a screenshot by opening the quick panel by swiping down on this from the top of the screen twice, like this, and you have the screenshot icon right here, and you can tap on it to take a screenshot. You can tap on this preview right here to open the editing mode, and you can basically edit the screenshot. You can add different filters, you can crop the image, so basically only select the part of the picture like that, cut the rest out. You can adjust filters and markup, stuff like that. You can draw on it and stuff like that. And once you're done editing, you can tap on done and then save copy like this. And you can also check your screenshots in the Photos app. So let's open Photos, Library, find the screenshot folder, and here we have our screenshots. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.